When your Dell Docking Station's LAN port stops working, systematic hardware troubleshooting can quickly identify and resolve most issues. Let's walk through the essential diagnostic steps. Step 1. Verify all physical connections. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected to both the docking station and your network device like a router or switch. Step 2. Test the Ethernet cable with another device to rule out cable failure. Connect the same cable to a laptop or desktop computer to verify it's working properly. Step 3. Inspect the docking station's Ethernet port for physical damage. Look for bent pins, debris, or corrosion that could prevent proper connection. Step 4. Verify the power adapter provides sufficient power. Dell docking stations require at least 90 watts to function properly. Insufficient power can cause Ethernet functionality to fail. Step 5. Try connecting the docking station to a different USB-C or Thunderbolt port on your laptop. Some ports may have better power delivery or data transfer capabilities. Finally, check for overheating issues. Ensure the docking station has adequate ventilation and isn't placed in an enclosed space. Overheating can cause network components to malfunction or shut down. These hardware diagnostic steps address the physical layer of network connectivity and resolve most basic Dell docking station LAN issues. If problems persist after these checks, advanced driver and configuration troubleshooting may be required. When hardware checks pass but network issues persist, the problem typically lies in drivers or network configuration. We'll systematically address these software-level issues. First, open Device Manager and look for yellow warning triangles next to network adapters. These triangles indicate driver problems that need immediate attention. For driver issues, you have several options. First, try rolling back to a previous working driver version through Device Manager properties. For persistent issues, use Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, to completely remove network drivers before reinstalling fresh ones. This ensures no corrupted driver files remain. Dell Command Update automates driver management, automatically detecting outdated drivers and ensuring compatibility with Windows 11 24H2, which is crucial as of 2025. If drivers are current but issues persist, reset your network configuration. Use netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset commands to rebuild the TCP IP stack. Follow up by renewing your IP address using ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. This forces a fresh DHCP assignment. For persistent connectivity drops, disable USB Selective Suspend in the registry. This prevents Windows Power Management from interfering with the Ethernet controller in your docking station. Remember, Windows 11 24H2 compatibility is crucial as of 2025. Major Windows updates frequently cause network adapter conflicts, so always verify your drivers are current and compatible.